Hello, my name is Josefin, and today we're going to practice a short little breathing technique called Ujjayi Breath. It's a pranayama that's often used during yoga classes, especially in Ashtanga, but also in like normal, common flow classes. And it's a breathing where you put a slight restriction in the back of your throat, so you make a noise, and that's why this breathing is also called ocean breathing or Darth Vader breathing, because that's kind of the noise that you make. And it's a good breathing to do during a yoga class because it helps you remember to breathe, because you have to put some effort into your breathing. It's just not happening naturally like normal. So it helps you remember to breathe, and it can also help your neighbor remember to breathe, because you make a noise when you're breathing and then they're like, oh, I have to breathe too, and then maybe they'll start breathing more intensely during their yoga practice. Because sometimes when we hold difficult poses or we're trying to balance, we stop breathing because somehow we think that that's going to help us, even though we're stopping the most natural thing for us to do to stay alive. But that's what happens. So when we're stressed, we stop breathing. That's why this breathing technique is perfect during your yoga practice, because it will help you remember to breathe. So what we're going to do is that you think that you make the same kind of constriction in the back of your throat as if you're going to frost a mirror or a glass to write something on it. So if you put your palm in front of you, you can breathe out on it as if you would frost it. And that noise is the noise that you want to make in the back of your throat when you're breathing. So you can start with having your lips parted, because it might be easier to start that way. So you just close your eyes and feel the restriction in the back of your throat and try to make an ocean sound as you're breathing. So it sounds like this. And as you can hear, it's similar to the sound of the ocean, the waves breaking on the shore. And then you can try to do the same noise with your lips together, to only breathing through your nose. And that sounds like this. So during this breathing technique, you're using your diaphragm to breathe in and out, so you can keep your lower abdominals engaged and keep a strong core. And the most important part is just that you remember to breathe. So if you lose your Ujjayi breath, you come back to it and keep going with your practice. And you just try it and figure it out at home, and then you can use it during your yoga class or when you're practicing by yourself, and you just remember to breathe. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, please leave a comment and press like, and if you like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I hope you have a great day. Namaste.